If you want to know what people are saying about moving to Texas, making that big move from out of state, moving here, you're going to want to watch this video. We hosted a client event at the movie theaters. We got to watch the Polar Express for the holidays. It was so much fun. Loved it so much. But we got to ask a few families what they thought about living in Texas.
Super excited today for our client Christmas party. We're excited because, guys, we're going to be watching the Polar Express. I'm here as the conductor today, making sure that all the children are on the right list. And of course, the Dana Pollard group is on the the nice list. And we are excited because we get to just have fun. This is a great season in Texas. It is cold outside, but it's not too cold. And we're going to have a little bit of singing about hot chocolate and about Christmas. It's going to be a great time today. We're so glad our clients are here.
Hey, we're the Williams family, and we moved to Texas from California actually about a year ago, right after Thanksgiving. So Christmas really means a lot to us because Christmas was the first real time that we got to spend in Texas, and we got to make a lot of awesome new memories. And so now this is our second Christmas here, and so we think of this new chapter when we think of Christmas, and coming out to the Grapevine events and going to the different community events, and it's a lot of fun. It's really special, and Christmas really made this feel like home.
What's the best thing about moving to Texas?
I would say the people. The people have been so nice and welcoming, and California, you kind of keep to yourself, I feel like, and I feel like everyone's just been like family here that we've met, especially Dee from the Dana Pollard group. She's just been awesome. Our kids love her, and she made this whole experience so much better moving to Texas. So I would say the people and just the community that we found out here has been really awesome.
Tell me a little bit about the cost of living here compared to California.
The cost of living in Texas compared to California is dramatically different. I mean, there's gas is an obvious one. It's a quick one, but also utilities, much more affordable here in Texas, and the size of home you can afford too. And that was a big part of us coming here because our boys were getting a little bigger. They're starting to bounce off the walls in our small townhome in California, and so we said, let's upgrade, let's get a bigger place in Texas where life can be a little different, and it's been great. We got space, we got a big backyard, all at a price you could never do in California.
Yeah.
So we are the Cassidy family from Illinois. Very happy to be in Texas. And anything else that you have to add?
I really like it so far.
Yeah, we love it. Yeah, everyone's so friendly. Dee has been absolutely amazing.
Dee is my favorite.
Now one of our closest family friends. And we're looking forward to being here for the holidays.
What made you choose Texas?
My Bob got transferred for work. It's somewhere we've always wanted to move to, and we're happy that we were given the opportunity.
So what community did you end up in?
We are in the Villages of Woodland Springs.
You guys watch Dana's videos?
I did when I was first told about the group. Our real estate agent in Illinois was the one that suggested the group to us. So that's when I started doing the research. And everyone was absolutely amazing with us and made the process very, very easy, especially relocating.
That's wonderful to hear. What's your favorite thing about Texas?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know yet. It hasn't been the weather yet. We brought the cold to Illinois.
A little better.
The friendliness, I feel like everyone is just very friendly and willing to, talk to you, and coming from, a large city that.
I like how everyone says y'all.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part so far.
Yeah. I would say just everyone has been very, very friendly.
Okay, so we are the Price family. We moved here from New Jersey 3 weeks ago, so we are fresh here. why we moved here for my husband's job, and we are loving Texas. It's been a transition for us. Dee has been great, and we're happy to be here.
Did you happen to watch any of the videos before?
A ton of videos.
Yeah, we did.
So we watched a lot of Dana Pollard videos before we got here.
Do you have somebody that's taking pictures?
And that was really helped us make the choice to kind of pick Dana Pollard. And we were very fortunate when we called. We got Dee, and she was great. We came here in August for a 4-day whirlwind tour, and she helped us decide where to kind of settle when we moved here.
What's the best thing about Texas thus far?
The people would be the best thing, and the second best thing would be the food.
Food.
What kind of food have you explored?
Oh wow, a lot of food. Barbecue,
Chicken.
Tex-Mex.
Tex-Mex.
Yeah, a lot of great food
A
options.
lot of great food.
What community did you land in?
We are in. Go ahead.
We landed in Allen, Texas.
Oh, I love Allen.
And we love Allen.
That city park, have you been to the city park there?
Not
No.
yet. Not
It's
yet.
pretty cool. It has a lot of stuff to do. It has like a skate park and ball fields and all kinds of stuff. It's pretty good. And I love Allen.
Yes.
We've been there.
School's going good. I like it so far.
Just that we're excited to be here, and hopefully it'll warm up a little bit.
Yeah,
It's
we
been
were
cold,
surprised
so.
by the weather, how cold it was. I think that was, if anything, was a surprise.
Here, it was so hot, but now it's like cold.
My name is Shawnery. This is Jackson. We moved from California.
What made you make the move to Texas?
What didn't? California has gotten so expensive. Just a lot of our values were not being met there. And Texas has amazing, God country. Amazing values, amazing, everything. The people are amazing here. We have had an amazing time, being here. Everybody's so friendly, so kind. We couldn't ask for a better place.
What advice would you give someone thinking about moving to Texas?
I actually love Dana's videos. That's how I kind of made the determination of what city I was going to pick and where we wanted to move. It's just a lot of information that she has to offer. I would definitely say recommend going through all of her videos and watching and seeing what works for you. And definitely come out and take a visit first, making sure you can see yourself here. And then maybe rent first if you can, and then so you can locate exactly what works best for you. And then if you're going to pick your home that way.
I just want to say thank you so much for choosing our team to work with when moving to Texas. We are so grateful. I'm so grateful, and I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!